welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy, and welcome to another edition of Pouring Coast to Coast. So excited to be joining these ladies again. It's such a great group and amazing artists. It's Taneva Baker, Britta Clayton, Michelle Galley, Amber Goodwin, and myself, Tracy. So this week it was Artist Choice. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I am currently, as you're viewing this, I am currently at our Christmas cabin with our entire family. And in today's video, or tonight's video, what you'll see wherever you are today, tonight, this morning, I did somewhat of a triptych. It's 3 12-inch rounds that have multiple parts to it. And I made them for my 3 little granddaughters. So maybe as you're watching this, they may be opening these. And I hope they love them. I hope you love them. I think they turned out very, very cute. So I hope you guys will watch all the way through, because like I said, there's multiple parts to this. And after my video, please keep following the next artist and see what everybody does, because it'll all be different with it being Artist Choice this time. Thank you so much for joining us. And for all those that celebrate, I want to wish you the happiest of holidays, filled with love and surrounded by your family and friends. This has been an amazing year, and I know 2025 is going to be even better. So we're staying positive. So we're going to make it better one way or another. So anyway, thank you guys for joining us. Let's get down to the table and see how I did these 3 triptychs. I'll see you at the table in just a minute, and let's make something really pretty.
running wild on this whole night, sitting by the traffic light zone. I don't know if I should go. My burdens left behind. I did not know what it would bring. Now I'm capable of everything. Sky where my soul is harmonized. Don't know why I couldn't see that I'm capable of everything. Capable of everything. Just close your eyes and let them rest. I know it's hard to fall asleep, but do your best. 'Cause there's a place that I go to when I wanna hide from all the shades of blue. 'Cause at times I think of leaving, my mind takes me back to fall, when the snow begins to sing goodnight to warm